Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today I'm gonna share tutorial of Haze Flare. So let's get started. Edit your video. Remove the ending. Go to overlay and add the same video we added previously. Now go to video effects and go to lens and select motion blur. Intensity 100 and horizontal about 75 to 85. Expand the effect. Then go to object and select overlay. Click on the overlay, go to blend and select overlay. You can remove the lyrics or blank part of video if you want. And we're done. Save your video. Thank y'all for watching.